Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made simple and learning is made fun. Welcome back to ESL Class 101. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful tips to help you speak English more fluently, confidently, and naturally. Each tip comes with real-life examples you can start using right away. So let's get started.
Tip 1. Think in English.
Stop translating in your head, form ideas directly in English. Example 1. While cooking, I'm chopping onions, now I'm adding salt, the water is boiling. Example 2. On the bus, the man is reading a newspaper. The children are laughing, the sky is cloudy. Example 3. Planning your day. First, I'll finish my report. Then, I'll call my friend. After that, I'll go for a walk.
Tip 2. Shadow native speech.
Repeat along with native speakers to copy rhythm, stress, and intonation. Example 1. Play a short news clip and speak in sync with the anchor. Example 2. Mimic a podcast host's tone and pacing. Example 3. Repeat a movie line exactly as the actor says it.
Tip 3. Use language chunks.
Memorize ready-to-use phrases instead of single words. Here are some examples. 1. That's an interesting point. 2. Could you clarify what you mean by? 3. From my perspective.
Tip 4. Record yourself.
Hearing yourself speak helps you spot mistakes and improve clarity. For example, record a 1-minute talk about your day. Compare your pronunciation with that of a native speaker. Or, track your progress weekly.
Tip 5. Expand active vocabulary.
Learn words in context, not isolation. For example, negotiate a deal instead of just negotiate. Raise a concern instead of just raise. Or, meet a deadline instead of just deadline.
Tip 6. Ask more questions.
Keep conversations alive by showing interest. Here are some examples. What do you think about this idea? How did you get started in your job? And what's your opinion on?
Tip 7. Slow down for clarity.
Speaking slower helps avoid mistakes and improves pronunciation. For example, pause between ideas. I think we should try a new approach. Use short sentences instead of long, rushed ones. Take a breath before answering.
Tip 8. Practice paraphrasing.
Restating what someone said shows you understand and keeps the conversation flowing. For example, so you mean that? In other words, you're saying, or, let me check if I understood you correctly.
Tip 9. Engage with mixed media.
Expose yourself to English in different formats to reinforce learning. For example, read an article, then watch a video on the same topic. Listen to a podcast, then discuss it with a friend. Or, watch a documentary, then write a summary.
Tip 10. Get comfortable with silence.
Don't panic if you need time to think, pauses are natural. Use fillers like, let me think, instead of, Pause naturally before answering. Smile and nod while you gather your thoughts. Improving your English communication isn't about perfection, it's about building habits that make speaking easier, faster, and more natural. Practice these tips daily, and you'll see real progress.